Like Abhishek has said, is the most slickest film he has ever acted. So were you not tempted to take up direction?
Yeah, see, before it was directed, I had no idea it was the most slickest film. You know, it had to be directed by Abhinay to become the most slickest film. Now in retrospect, let me bring it up. I'm really glad that Abhinay directed it. Really, he's brought a certain visual quality to it that only he could have brought. And I'm really, really proud of it, the way the film looks, the way everyone's performed in it. I'm really very, very proud to be associated with this film.
Abhinay, coming from a background of ad films, what was the reason that you delayed your entry in films as a director?
I don't think I delayed my entry actually. There's no, I never had any game plan in mind, pun intended totally, that I would enter at this point or that point. When a great script comes your way, the script selects you more than anything else. So I think that's exactly what happened. One fine day, Farhan and Ritesh called me up, and that was probably one of the best days of my life, where they said, you know, would you like to make a film? And I said, yes. And that's it. That's how I started in film industry. Actually, I didn't really plan anything.
Since we have the World Cup finals on the 2nd, don't you think on a very crucial day your game can take a serious beating by another game?
Yeah, of course, it's possible that for those hours that the game is played, the cricket match that is, people will be watching the match. We've thought about that, we've taken that into account. But really, a good film, is meant to have a long life. The longevity of a film is important. It's not only about that one day or that one evening. You know, so we do understand that. But it's a great time for the film to release. There's a lot of excitement about the film as well. There's a lot of buzz about it. Absolutely, of course, there will be a lot of people who want to see India winning the World Cup. I want to see it. Everybody wants to see it. You know, so that is going to happen. But I don't think it will make such a big difference in the larger scheme of things. Hopefully, people will like the film, and they'll be in a great mood after India lifts the cup, and they'll go and watch the film with their families and their neighbors and everybody else who wants to go and see it.
As a film director, when you tell Javed ji to write lyrics, how does it feel? Because you are like a son also. So as a film director, what is in your mind when you tell Javed ji to write lyrics for the movie?
Yeah, I think I'm possibly the only one who gets to say, Dad, will you write lyrics for me? Everybody else has to say, Javed Saab. So I think that's the only difference really. He spent a lot of time with Abhinay actually, because Abhinay and him interacted a lot more on the lyrics on this film than I did. But he's very, very easy to work with. You know, he really does get down with everyone. When he's with somebody older, he becomes, another person. When he's with somebody younger, he's completely different. So he has this ability to make everyone feel comfortable and everyone feel special and feel wanted, and their inputs are most welcome. So it's always a pleasure to work with him, and yeah, so I'm quite sure that Abhinay had a good time as well.